Lost in a digital dead end. Today, we're untangling the mystery of why Google Maps might be failing you and getting you back on track. First, let's tackle the most common culprit: your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or have sufficient mobile data. Try opening a web page to confirm your internet is working properly. If your Wi-Fi seems spotty, try restarting your router or switching to mobile data. A weak signal can definitely hinder Google Maps' ability to load maps and directions. Next up, location services. Google Maps needs access to your location to function correctly. Head into your phone settings, find the location or privacy section, and ensure that location services are turned on for Google Maps, ideally set to precise or always. Outdated app, time for a refresh. Open your device's App Store, that's the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iPhone. Search for Google Maps, and if an update button is available, tap it to install the latest version. Updates often contain bug fixes and performance improvements. If you're still facing issues, try clearing the app's cache and data. Go to your phone settings, find Apps or Application Manager, locate Google Maps, and then tap on Storage. Here, you'll find options to clear the cache and clear data. Warning: clearing data will reset your app settings, so be prepared to sign in again. Finally, the age-old solution: try restarting your device. A simple reboot can often resolve minor software glitches that might be interfering with Google Maps, and if all else fails, consider reinstalling the app as a last resort.